What up? It's Uptown Swing. Val, Peter, I'm suffering for now. We doing Big Apple class. But I am injured and broken, so I'm going to take it very chill, but try to do the correct steps for you. Val is the follower, I am the leader. Here is the Big Apple. We went after the Shorty George business. We started with a 7-8. That was the transition into our Charleston, and here's the rest. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. Now go around. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We just go behind. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Back it up. Mess around. 4, 1, 8 count. And 2, 8 counts. Do your stuff. You got 3, 8 counts. Here comes the break.